Okay, so I'm going to go over, I'm working on making a public version of my demos sites so that when a prospect wants to see a site, I can send them a link. They click on it and they can check out the demos site without me having to manually walk them through it. So what I'm doing here, let me do that. Okay, so here I have my demos sub account. And in the demos sub account in HighLevel, I've got different websites. So like roofing, for instance, if I was on a call with a prospect, I could come here, click preview link, and then walk them through this site. And the same goes for any of my other demos here that I'm building out. But what I want to do is have them have these be published to a public website so that I can point them to that. So what I have to do here is, so what my goal is that okcomputer.foo, that's my main website. But I want to have a subdomain called demos to match the sub account. It'll be demos.okcomputer.foo, and then it'll be slash roofing or slash plumbing or slash barbershop. And whenever they go to one of those, they'll see that website. So to do that, I've already set up the other, my main site, but I'm going to do it for this one here. So I need to set up a domain. So I've got I asked Perplexity for some help over here on the right-hand side of my screen. But basically, we're going to go to Settings, Domains. We're going to connect a domain. I'm going to go to this one because I want to connect a website. So I'll go to the top. And then domain. So I'm going to do demos.okcomputer.foo. Continue. This is where I'm going to choose add record manually. And it tells me I need to create a CNAME with the host of demos. And then this is the required value. So I'm just going to copy this one because I can paste the others. So CNAME demos. So I'm going to go to my where's my, let me see. I thought I had oh, here it is, Hover. So this is my domain on Hover. I'm going to go to add record. I'm going to do CNAME, hostname, demos, target. I'll paste in sites.ludicrous.cloud. I'll leave the TTL at 15 minutes. I'll click add record. Then I'm going to go back to, where was I? Here. And then I'm going to click verify records. Now it says it can require up to 30 seconds. It could also take a lot longer than that, but usually, I don't know, these days these kind of things have been pretty quick. So let's just see if this connects. And if not, I'll have to come back to this video later or edit it down or something to see if we can get it to work. Oh, it looks good. Okay, congratulations. You can now connect demos.okcomputer.foo with a product. So what I want to do is go to, well, website, link domain with website, roofing. Okay. Default step or page, home. Yeah, that's what I want, home. What are these additional options? I'm just going to make, I don't have a 404 page right now, so I'm just going to choose home. And then I'm going to do proceed to finish. Okay, subdomain, that's good. Connected to the website. Okay, so that looks good. So now I'm going to go back here to roofing. Let's just check out what are the settings for this home, and then so it's slash home. So what I'm thinking is this, well, let's just try this for now. So slash home. I think I might want it to just be slash. I don't think I want it home, but let's do this. Let's go to edit this page. Okay. And then we've got, I'm going to choose. Yeah. So the URL would be home. Actually, before I do that, well, okay, let's just do that. I'm going to do publish. Okay. So now let's go to demos. Okay, computer.foo/home. And here's the roofing site. Excellent. That was pretty easy. So the question that's coming up for me now is, and maybe this won't work, but I wanted to have multiple demo sites on this same domain subdomain. So to do that, let me see. What I would want to do is change the settings for this. So instead of /home, it says here that nested paths are now supported in URLs. So I believe what that means is that I could do /roofing/home. I don't know. I don't really want home. I just want /. Let me see. Step 1. I might just need to put that, but we'll see. But /roofing/home, that'll work for me. So I'm going to update the page. I think I have to republish it, perhaps, to catch that. Okay, then let's go here. So if I refresh this, that's interesting. It grabbed a different one. Let's do /roofing/home. There we go. Okay, so that's good. That's what I want. /roofing/home. So demos.okcomputer.foo/ whatever the industry is, and then /home. Although I actually would rather it to just be a /. So I'll work on that as well. Let's see if we could do that. If we said settings and we just did /roofing, can we do that? That would be ideal. Okay, and let's go see. I don't know if I even need to republish the site. So I just did, yeah, demos okcomputer.foo/roofing. Perfect. That's exactly what I want. So now let's go see if that applies to, let's say, plumbing. And if I go to plumbing, I'm going to edit the settings here. So /plumbing/. And if I do update page, then I think I have to go edit, publish. Oh, select a domain name. Okay, demos. Good. That's perfect. See, that's exactly what I wanted. I wanted all my demo sites to all be able to share this same subdomain. So I'm going to click save. It's publishing. Let's go back here, but now let's go back to our website. Let's go to plumbing/ and it loads it up. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted. So this is fantastic. Yeah, so now I have the ability to make all these public, and then I'll just continue to work on them and hone them and make them better and better with every iteration, and just publish them to that live website. And then what ultimately what I'm planning to do is to program my AI bot on OK Computer. So when somebody interacts with this little chat widget down here, they could say something like, can you show me a demo site for roofers? Something like that. And right now it's probably, I don't know what it's going to say. It's probably going to just say, no, it can't do that. But I'm going to program it to I'm going to tell the AI that, hey, when people want to see a demo site, yeah, see, it says, I'm sorry, I don't have enough information. But when they want to see a demo site, oh, sorry, I guess you couldn't see that when I was editing it. They'll be able to go to it, or maybe I'll send them an SMS with, a link to the roofing site or the plumber site or whatever. So yeah, there you go. That's it. That's all she wrote.